take a transition shade and apply through the crease upwards until the brow bone. To define, take a darker eyeshadow and pack on the outer corner of your eye. Take a flat brush and pack in shimmer in the inner lid and corner. Apply mascara and you are done.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.